Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today we are going to be playing some Royale High. So that is not my normal Royale High character. It's just we're doing pageants, and the theme is sporty. So I thought this would be cute for something sporty. So I don't have my intro today. Because I'm getting a new one. For Halloween. And then you'll probably have to wait another time for Thanksgiving, and then another long time for Christmas, you know, and then New Year's, and then back to my original one. So, before the pageant starts, please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, I guess, if you want. I mean, it's not really my decision, but if you guys want to. So we have about 40 seconds left until the beautiful pageant starts. So let me just, make sure that I'm signed up. Okay, I'm signed up. So my mind is blank. There's a house? Oh, the pageant house. Yeah. Pageant house. Oh. Ta-da! And then there's a cute little face right there. And at nighttime, I think there's like a creepy double face somewhere else. Okay, she's not really ready for sporty stuff, but hopefully we win this, guys. Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Royal Universe Pageant. He's gonna say his name. Everything. This evening's theme is sporty. There I am. Look all around the stage and you will find our dazzling and clever contestants representing their economic teams, I believe. I'm your host, Adam, and this is Royal Universe. There I am. We will select a special candidate to step up to the microphone and answer a question. Answer as best as you can, and Miss Maggie plays YouTube. Okay, yep, this is me. Hi. What helps you relieve your stress? Well, when I'm stressed, I lemon squeeze. Well, when I'm stressed, I lemon squeeze. It's when you pretend to squeeze lemons. It's when you pretend to squeeze lemons. Thank you. Okay. I wanted that outfit that Alex has. If you could time travel. What the heck? I'm confused. My game is glitching. If you could time travel, would you fix your past mistakes or leave them to keep the lessons your mistakes taught you? Okay, Char, give it your all, I guess. What'd she say? Oh yeah, and if you're going to be rude, nobody's going to vote you. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything because I don't really. You know what? I'm just gonna say true queen. What a special. Oh my god, it's glitching so badly. Oh my god. What is special about the home, please? Alright, sorry guys, I had to do something really fast. Yes, it's Miss Maggie Plays YouTube. I'm a pageant dream. Thank you. I'm a clap for everybody now. Alright, let's go. Look at the way I walk. Okay. Wait, oh my god, their usernames. Their usernames are the same. Ah! Oh my lord. I don't know now. Oh my gosh, everybody's looking beautiful. I mean, it's called sporty, so I mean, I look kind of sporty, right? Got a ponytail, you know? But I'm gonna vote for somebody who looks amazed. Okay, so I'm sorry, Miss, what's your name? Miss Tags. I'm not gonna give you. Yes, I gotta give her a rose. Look at her dancing. Miss Spirit. Sorry, Alex. And I'm sorry, Ashley. I have to look at the other contestants. Yes, Queen Panda. You're looking fab. Alright, so I'm gonna give Ashley a rose. Wham bam. Yes, alright, there I am. So we're just gonna do a dance. We're gonna do a twirl. We're gonna twirl. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you. Alright, now we're gonna take it away. Where is it? There we go. Okie dokie. Here we go. Alright. Miss who? Okay, well, it's not me, so I don't know how she got sporty though. Her. Okay, it won't show me the names up here. What the heck? Alright, first place goes to Alex. Congratulations. Good job, Alex. And that person. But my question is, I don't understand how they got sporty though. Like, I don't. Excuse me. Like, oh, I got 200 diamonds and 50 XP. I don't understand how they got sporty. I mean, like, I can see her, but, like, I don't see her or her. Because, like, she's wearing a dress and everything, and she's all fancy, but then, like, she's, like, she has, like, a lot of things on. Okay, well, I guess we can do one more pageant, and then after the pageant, we'll have to wrap it up. Okie dokie, so I will see you guys after. Oh my god, I can't move, Char. I will see you guys after. Let me turn on this. After the intermission. Okie dokie, guys. So the pageant theme is water versus fire fairy. So let's see. So we're going to need for our hair, I guess we can do like, so we'll do like the top half water. So water's blue, so we can get something like wavy. So I'm just gonna put in wavy. This is cute. We're gonna do, it's called Perfect Waves, even better. Now I just need something blue. Black to blue, shimmering ocean, seafoam dreams, ice popsicle, fairy floss. Well, it's called fairy, so I mean fairy floss, you know, maybe. It's kind of cute. Let's do seafoam dreams. That one's cute, really cute. Okay, so now we just need a top. So we're gonna put it in color. We're gonna get like a blue top. That's cute, you know. But can we get like maybe style? Let's do like a mermaid style, you know? What's this one? Yes, that's so cute. I'm gonna stick with this one. It's cute. Alright, so now we're gonna get, I don't have any skirts, so please don't judge me. This one's my favorite. So fire. It's like, we need more red. We need more red. Perfecto. Redness. Yeah. Okay. So now we need heels. Don't judge me. This is my favorite. So we could use like something like this, I guess, you know? Maybe. Okay. So then let's see everything that I have. So I have that, you know. I have a spider purse. Puppy, Playful Ears, Cauldron, Fashionista Sunglasses, got a Flower Lay. Don't really have that many things, but I try, you know. So I'm just gonna put in here, um, ah, space, half, what the heck? Half fire, half water fairy. Now, a lot of people, they do like one of these, like they do, like they're either a water or fire fairy, but when it says like water versus fire, I put both of them because the theme is legit water versus fire or something like that. Like good versus evil, I always do green and red because good is like green and evil is like red because like evil people might have like red eyes or something like that. So I will see you guys when the pageant timer is over. So, yay. Okie dokie, guys. So I would like to give a shout out to Ashley and Water Fairy, which her what is it called? Her username is Cookie Horse 217. I want to give a shout out to both of them for being awesome competitors and just being good sports during this time. Okay, guys, so I'm going to vote Water Fairy because she really is a water fairy. Ashley, of course, she's always stunning. Now we just need to give one more rose to, let's look at the other contestants. Queen Panda, she is just on point. Alright guys, I will be back when they decide who is going to win. And guys, I did not win, so I'm going to leave it off here. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye!